Welcome to my channel in the ever-evolving world of modern warfare. France HAS taken a bold leap into the future with its unveiling of the T-32 2026 main battle tank. Désigned to redefine battlefield dominance, this tank isn't just a machine, it's a statement of France's military innovation and engineering brilliance. Sleek, aggressive, and devastatingly powerful, the T-32 is already turning heads around the globe. The T-32 is not just an upgrade, it's a complete reimagination of what a tank can be. Emerging from years of secretive development under France's defense modernization program, the T-32 embodies the next generation of warfare where speed, stealth, and emerge seamlessly. It's built for the battles of tomorrow, not the wars of yesterday. At first glance, the T-32 design set it apart. With its angular, low-profile chassis and stealth geometry, radar detection is significantly reduced. The tank almost looks like a cross between a high-tech alien war machine and a futuristic stealth bomber. This is intentional. On today's digital battlefield, invisibility is just a vital armor. What truly pushed the T-32 ahead of its time is its hybrid propulsion system. Using a combination of next-gen diesel and electric power, the tank can switch to silent mode for stealth operations. This gives it the element of surprise, making it ideal for both reconnaissance and surprise ambush, without sacrificing the brute force expected of a main battle tank. Armam is where the T-32 sends shockwaves through the defense world. Equipped with a fully automatic 140 mm smoothbore, this monster can destroy armored targets well beyond line of sight thanks to a targeting and satellite-linked fire control. Its rounds are programmable, allowing mid-air trajectory change and adaptive impact, devastating in modern combat. France HAS also packed the T-32 with a driven fire coordination system. This means the tank can lock onto multiple targets, predict enemy movement pattern, and even adjust for environmental factors such as wind or terrain in real time. It's not just a tank, it's a thinking machine of war. The autoloader system has been refined to near perfection. Unlike traditional tanks that require a human loader, the T-32 smart system can reload in under 3 seconds, without exposing any crew to danger. It's fast, efficient, and allows sustained fire in heated battle scenarios. And then there's the defense. The T-32 uses composite modular armor layered with reactive panel and electromagnetic repulsion system. When an incoming round is detected, it triggers a burst of magnetic energy that can deflect or weaken the impact, think force field, but real and battlefield tested. Integrated drone support is another groundbreaking feature. The T-32 launches recon drone directly from its chassis, feeding back real-time visual and thermal data. This gives the crew complete 360-degree battlefield awareness, allowing them to strike first, think faster, and act with surgical precision. Perhaps most impressively, the T-32 can operate in a semi-autonomous mode. In certain missions, it can be remotely controlled, allowing operators to engage enemies while remaining safely out of harm's way. This pushes the limits of battlefield robotics and opens doors for future unmanned tank warfare. Inside, the T-32 is nothing like tank of the past. The crew enjoy climate-controlled comfort, advanced HUD interface, and biometric safety system. With just a 3-man crew needed, commander, driver, and gunner, the internal space has been optimized for both efficiency and survival. Tactical communication has also been revolutionized. The T-32 uses encrypted quantum communication tech, making it virtually impossible for enemy force to intercept or jam its signals. It can relay data to command units and air support in real time, keeping allied force in perfect sync. Speed isn't sacrificed either. Despite its heavy armor and tech, the T-32 can reach speeds up to 80 km/h on roads and maintain over 60 km/h on rough terrain. ITS Adaptive Suspension en Surstability, even on unstable surface like rubble or desert sand. One major breakthrough is ITS Thermal Camouflage Technology. Using its dissipating outer panel, the T-32 can blend into the environment when viewed with infrared scope or drone, giving it a stealth advantage previously unimaginable for armored vehicle. France HAS made it clear that the T-32 isn't just for defense, it's a deterrent. A single unit of this tank in any conflict zone becomes an immediate game changer, tilting the balance of power with ITS sheer presence and reputation for precision. The T-32 is built with future upgrades in mind. Modular weapon mount and software-driven systems allow for quick adaptation to new technology. As warfare evolve, so too can the T-32, making it a long-term investment rather than a short-lived tool. Field tested across varied terrain, from snow-covered mountains to desert plains, the T-32 HAS shown extraordinary resilience. ITS sensors automatically adjust for terrain type, recalibrating navigation and traction systems instantly. It's built to fight in all environments. Even the logistics have been streamlined. Maintenance can be done faster thanks to a diagnostic, which runs self-checks and notify crews of needed repair before issue. This reduces downtime and keeps the T-32 battle ready longer than any current competitor. In urban warfare scenarios, the T-32 excel. Compact yet deadly, it can maneuver through narrow streets, take elevated firing position using hydraulic lift, and deploy smoke screens last with nanotechnology to confuse enemy sensors. One of the most fascinating aspects is the T-32 ability to coordinate with other T-32s using swarm intelligence. Group of test tanks can operate in formation, make real-time adjustment, and carry out synchronized strike without direct human input. Cybersecurity is also a top priority. The tank HAS a onboard quantum encrypted firewall that defends against hacking attempts, making it immune to cyber warfare attacks that are becoming increasingly common in modern conflict zones. The training program for T-32 crews HAS also undergone major innovation. Using VR simulation and e-learning module, soldiers are trained in realistic virtual environments that mimic real-world missions with stunning accuracy. France's military partners and allies are closely watching the T-32. Several NATO countries have expressed interest in either adopting the platform or co-developing variants suited to their own defense needs. It may very well become the standard for next-gen tank warfare across Europe. Critics argue the cost is high, but France counters with a solid point. The T-32 save lives, reduce collateral damage, and shorten conflict duration through precision and power. The price of peace, they say, is some team fund in preparation for war. Public demonstration of the T-32 have caused viral reaction online. Videos of ITS-assisted targeting and stealth maneuver have garnered millions of views, with military experts and enthusiasts alike praising ITS' balance of design, power, and innovation. No longer confined to the shadows of tank development giants like the US or Russia, France HAS taken center stage. The T-32 puts French defense tech on the global map in a way not seen since the legendary Leclerc tank of the 1990s. For younger audience and future engineers, the T-32 is more than a weapon, it's a marvel of science. Universities and defense tech institutions have already begun studying ITS systems to inspire the next generation of innovators. With military conflict evolving rapidly due to new threats and technology, the T-32 is timely. It bridges the gap between traditional battlefield machinery and the intelligent war machine of tomorrow. It's not just built to survive, it's built to win. And attention rise in various parts of the world. France's message with the T-32 is loud and clear: we are ready. Ready to protect, defend, and lead with technology that set a new benchmark for military excellence. The T-32 is not the future, it is the now. Thanks for watching.